bismillaahi raxmaani raxiim walal ku soo dhawow kanaalka socdaal bulsho barnaamijkani haddii uu ku cajabiyey laag sheero iyo sabskraibka waa xaggiina fikirkaagana waa inoo muhiim ee inoogu reeb kommentiga si aad inoo dhiirigelisid
5,000 meter final. Here we go. Woody Kincaid, you see there, second from the left. Away he goes. Keep an eye out for Abdi Noor, Paul Chalimo, Sean McGordy.
Abdi Hamid Noor has finished first in the 5,000 meters at the USA Track and Field Championships in Eugene, Oregon. Despite the oppressive heat, the Somali immigrant ran under 54 seconds on the final lap to blow away the rest of the competitors.
Colours there. Kupatia was looking for some clear track space. Now, here comes Abdi Noor in the blue and white and goes straight to the front.
Abdi Noor is an excellent runner. He made that World Championship team last year.
Although it was at about 3 laps remaining that Noor first surged ahead. Woody Kincaid, the winner of the 10,000K race, was considered by many to be the favorite in the shorter run, but he wilted under Noor's blistering pace and couldn't display his signature late kick. Noor was humble in victory.
Can they go with Abdi Noor? And how about Sean McGordy sitting in second, the 28-year-old from Virginia? Can he finish top 3 again and get the world standard to make that?
Running under the Northern Arizona University banner, Noor is coached by renowned athletics guru Mike Smith. He came to the U.S. from Somalia as a boy, but has never forgotten his roots.
And he was the night of the 10,000. He does look awfully relaxed. The breathing is controlled. You can see the relaxation in his face. And now we're starting to see a big move here.
Abdi Noor has turned up the heat coming into the final lap. Connor Mance is hanging.
The young Somali runner's performance was impressive given the heat and brings into focus a bright athletics future.
If he's going to rely on...
Noor's winning time of 13:24.37 is 16 seconds slower than the best clocked in 2023 by Olympic champion Ethiopian Berihu Aragawi.
Unfortunately, that world standard has gone. They will have time to make it up before the World Championships. Look at Paul Chalimo. Chalimo is digging deep. He wants a 4th national title at this distance. Oh my goodness. Abdi Noor holds him off and wins the US title. The man who was born in Somalia, lived in Egypt, but has made America his home, is now an American champion.
Just because I felt like we were getting crowded and I felt like guys were coming from the back and I was feeling good. So in training, I knew I could attack closing as well. So I just went for it and believed in myself.
That was such a smart race by Abdi Noor. He showed so much professionalism. He took the lead, he knew what he had, and he pressed. We can see here he's hurting a little bit, but look, he looks back, sees Chalimo, knows an Olympic medalist, 2-time, is trying to hunt me down, and yet he finds another gear, actually pulls away in these final steps, timing it so well, acting like a man much older than he is.
ADN TV will continue to report on outstanding achievements by Somalis in the sporting arena.